What's up, guys? So today back at work again once again, but I got my new mountain bike that's gonna be on this channel. So it's gonna have this channel gonna have all my bikes basically, but more likely mountain bike, because that's the only bike that can actually survive on Florida roads. Really, my fifth gear, I don't even want to say nothing about that. My fifth gear, I had to change the tire like 2 or 3 times. Also, the hub in my fifth gear, it's kind of messed up now because riding on Pompano roads and stuff. But my road bike is fine. It's gonna be my racing bike. You're gonna see more on that other channel and stuff. But yeah, tune in, more videos to come. And I'm gonna show you guys my bike though. It's nice. I like it though. It's like a 2002 Assault, Diamondback Assault. But I'm gonna show you guys though. Okay guys, here's the bike. And yeah, that's the bike right now. I had put the fenders on and all, but it is some rust on it, but I'm gonna get all that off, pretty much. But yeah, that's the bike right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. You know what? Almost fell right there because my book bag. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm at lunch right now, but more mountain bike is coming. I'm gonna start going to the trails in Deerfield, so Deerfield and I think Sunrise House on too, and Boca. So thank you guys for watching. Tune in, more coming right now. So pretty much, peace out.